This is coming on the back of what was seen as a bit of a recovery, bit of a rally. Is this, going to be the story for PSU banks, that any sort of an increase will be sold into? And what then is your take on the banking sector? Because SBI numbers also came out. Do you think that is what's weighing heavy on PSU banks?
My guess is, I think, the markets have not factored in the fact that this ILFS provisioning amount is actually going to come in the April to June quarter. In fact, in the March quarter, I don't think this provisioning has been done. And I think clearly till we get some clarity as to how banks would be providing or reporting this item, it would be too premature to say whether these PSU banks would, actually survive the backlash, because clearly, their asset quality is under stress. I think within the banks, my sense is, stocks like Bandhan Bank or typically a federal bank definitely could be considered, from a slightly medium to long term perspective. I think numbers are strong, and within this market sentiment, I think it would be prudent to actually bet on well established names, where the asset quality, where the return on equity, and where the NIMs are actually very strong. So I would say that within the overall scenario, I think Bandhan and Federal Bank look pretty good.
All right, Bandhan and Federal Bank remain